guys, welcome back to another channel. I know मैं कैसे लग रही हूँ अभी उड़िया उड़िया जैसे मेरे बाल. So please don't mind my hair. Currently I'm getting ready to go to Connaught Place, yeah, CP, because I have to go to a tailor there. I have some work to get done. उसके बाद I also need to buy new Bible English as well as in Hindi translation. मेरा New Year का resolution था कि मैं Bible पढ़ाई करती रहूँ. नाउ माई डिज़ायर इज़ दैट कि मैं जो इंग्लिश में भी सीखती हूँ मैं हिंदी में भी सीखूँ. बिकॉज वन आई वॉन्ट टू टेल द गॉस्पेल टू सम पीपल आई डोंट नो व्हाट वर्ड्स टू यूज़ इन हिंदी. सो दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम देयर. तो वो प्रॉब्लम को मुझे मिटाना है पूरा. सो आई एम गेटिंग रेडी फॉर दैट. सो आई विल कैच यू गाइस. Okay, so this is my outfit. I'm wearing this kind of dress, type of very short dress. I'm wearing my denim with it. Hey guys, I want to quickly show you guys जो बाइबल मैंने लिया है. Not Bible, Bibles. Okay, अलग अलग translations का. I have bought the Bible. I really needed a Bible because the one that I had was like Catholic edition वाला. It was a difficult English. काफी सारे words and the words were not there. So yeah, the first one is this in Hindi. Yeah, this one. This is in BSI translation, Pavitra Bible. The quality is really good और उतना ही महंगा भी है. You know the total bill that came was 4,000 and I was like चलो ठीक है कोई नहीं. Okay, the quality is commendable, so उसके लिए तो 4,000 भी दे सकते हैं. Yeah, this one is good and it's simple Hindi. Majority of the Bibles in Hindi are very difficult वाला हिंदी. It has sections, that is what I really love. यहाँ पे sections है हर एक books का. Yeah, so basically Bible is mixture of books. And the next one what I got is this Amplified Holy Bible. ये इतना easily elaborated आपको समझाता है. ये बहुत डिटेल में और बहुत अच्छे से बताता है. So yeah, इसलिए मैंने एक amplified version लिया. And the main preference जो मेरे लिए मुझे सीखने के लिए चाहिए था, that is this NKJV. इसका एक और है King James version, that is KJV. इतना difficult old English है, but that is also good. So this is very cute. ये वाला बाइबल बहुत क्यूट है. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. The color is grey. I love the color and so sleek. मेरे पास जो बाइबल था पहले, it is like एक पूरा इतना भारी बक्सा जैसा था. So उसको कहीं ले जाना is very difficult. ठीक है. This one is look. बक्सा नहीं है ये. So sleek. The main thing that I want to show you guys is this आगे का logo. This logo. I want to talk about this logo. The first century Christian. The thing is that Christianity में persecution first century से ही था, बहुत पहले से ही था. Because it was not accepted because it speaks the truth. इसलिए सब accept नहीं कर पाते थे. Christians what they did to recognize themselves, they use this mark of fish. This fish symbol has very deep meaning into it. क्योंकि the thing is that symbolize themselves कि हम follower of Christ है. They used this symbol of fish. Jesus के जो disciples थे, they were all fishermen. उनका जो profession था, they were fishermen. After Jesus called them to follow him, to be his disciple, they stopped being मछली का fisherman. Okay, I hope you understand. Please try to understand the concept. They became fishermen of men. मछली के जगह इंसानों के मछुआरे बन गए. The one false teaching that I want to break. अगर कोई अभी बोलते कि मैं क्रिश्चियन हूँ, तो लोग बोलते he is converted, इसका ब्रेन वॉश कर दिया है, कितने पैसे मिले वगैरह वगैरह. That is a wrong teaching. Knowledge जिनको नहीं है वही ये बोलते हैं. जब आप सर्च करोगे, जब आप लोगों की लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देखोगे कि वो लोग क्यों क्रिश्चियनिटी में आए, क्यों आए, क्योंकि कन्वर्जन नहीं हुआ है, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ लाइफ हुआ है. बिकॉज जीसस ट्रांसफॉर्म्स लाइफ. He didn't even preach about Christianity. Jesus never said, "आओ Christians बनो." No, he never said. So the concept is disciples were called to be fishermen of men. कि वो लोगों को बचाए, इंसानों को बचाए. That's the reason why they use this symbol. Because of this symbol, I got this Bible. And the secondary thing is the color. The font is very nice. I love it. बहुत ज़्यादा exaggerate कर रही हूँ, but yeah. I'm so excited for my Bible. The other thing that I got is guitar ke strings. Yeah, so I got guitar ke strings also. I am planning to learn guitar. I started. मैंने start करते ही guitar का string ही टूट गया. I was tuning it in. So guitar का string ही टूट गया and I got this pick ऑल्सो अभी मैं जा रही हूँ बाहर फॉर स्विमिंग, सो आई कैन बी द फिशरमैन ऑफ मैन. जस्ट किडिंग. Yeah, getting ready to go out. मैंने कपड़े डाल लिए हैं. My swimsuit, I'm already wearing my swimsuit inside my t-shirt. I wish I could record me swimming so I can show you guys मेरा skills that I learned last summer. Jesus has transformed my life drastically. मेरा life तो बहुत drastically change करा है. मैं पहले Jesus को accept नहीं करती थी. Being a born Christian, I never accepted Jesus. So I used to deny Jesus. I used to say every religion, हाँ सब एक ही है. No, it's not. It's a lie. Every religion is not the same. The thing is that you have to seek for the truth. Truth is there in your face. This channel has become Christ-centered vlog channel. Hahaha, nice. I like it. I know many of you guys won't like it, but I like it. See you guys. Where is my babies? My babies. Oh, there is my Toby baby. Where is my Coco baby? छुप रहा है मेरे से. There he is. यम 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 करता रहता है 24 घंटे बस. Guys, happy Sunday. I just took a shower. I'm about to head for the church. वैसे तो बहुत मतलब लेट जा रही हूँ आज मैं. Otherwise I used to reach at 8. So I'm going right now at अभी तो 10 बज रहे हैं. 11 बजे सर्विस स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. I'm using Wishcare का hair growth serum. It is really good. Yeah, I'm applying hair serum for some moisture क्योंकि I have really dry skin, dry hair और क्या चाहिए जिंदगी में. Thank God दिल्ली में इतनी गर्मी नहीं है. Last year इसी टाइम में heat waves इतना हो गया था by the end of May that no one could even survive. Face is good, अच्छे से moisturized. I'm going to use my sunscreen. I'm going to use my blush, this one, Pixie का. Once I understood the makeup that is right for me, no, my makeup never looked cakey. और मैं इतना मेकअप करती नहीं हूँ, बट इफ़ आई डू फुल फेस मेकअप मैं समझ गई मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. आई हैव टू यूज़ क्रीमी स्टफ बिकॉज क्योंकि मेरा जो स्किन है ना दैट इज़ वेरी एक्सेसिव ड्राई स्किन. एंड आई टुक हेल्प फ्रॉम ChatGPT. ओके, आई आस्क्ड ChatGPT कि मेरे लिए परफेक्ट क्या हो सकता है, परफेक्ट मेकअप. एंड देन रिसर्च ऑन यूट्यूब. मैंने देखा फाउंडेशन के साथ तेल मिक्स करना. आई हैव अपलोडेड दैट मेकअप, full face makeup, in Get Ready With Me, and that makeup it stayed very long. If you are a dry skin girly, I recommend you to watch that video. I'll link it down. It's super good. I mean, I'm no makeup artist, but I can definitely recommend you some things जो मैंने ट्राई करके अप्लाई करके like मैंने ट्राई करके which went a hit for me. I feel good that I'm vlogging now. I've already 3 vlogs बना रखा है मैंने, बट none of them is coming up क्योंकि मैं एडिट ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. I'm so busy these days. I have something very big that I'm working on that I will let you guys know very soon. See, मेरे lashes अब कितने अच्छे लग रहे हैं. Alright, Toby baby is here. Toby, say hi. Say hi. Camera focus. चलो. No. अरे टोबी, अरे मेरा बाल क्यों खा रहा है? Guys, Toby wants your attention. What are you doing, bro? Don't eat my hair. Okay, I have these online classes. तो मैं वो जब वो अटेंड करती हूँ ना, sometimes Toby used to be in that room. So he does. उसको बहुत attention seeker है. Toby is completely attention seeker. Okay. कोई भी घर पे आता है, he is the most excited person and strangers. Squirrels doesn't go to strangers. Okay. He is so excited to meet that person even though he didn't even उससे कभी पहले मिला भी नहीं होगा. He is the most excited guy. So online classes. I used to attend online classes. What he used to do, आ जाता था और कैमरे के ऊपर बैठ जाता था and everyone used to laugh and आके मेरे सर के ऊपर बैठ जाता था क्लास के बीच में and everyone used to laugh and I was like, Toby, you're so annoying. And everyone used to like him. I'm going to wear these earrings, these ones. These are so cute. These are anti-tarnish. Then you need to take care of them. See, so cute. This is my outfit. This is the top that I'm wearing. As I said, this is from Street Style store. The quality is बहुत गंदा. Okay, the quality is very bad. I just don't like the quality. ये top सिर्फ देखने के लिए अच्छा है, but the quality, you know, the thing is that the कपड़ा is so very cheap and it's like गर्मी इसमें बहुत लग सकती है. आज इतना गर्मी नहीं है, बारिश वगैरह हो गया है. Let's go. Made my hair like this. मैंने इसको half pony में कर दिया है because it looks much better. Curly hair looks very good in half pony. I might go to Lajpat Nagar or Chandni Chowk because I have to get some things. Because I have to research a lot about some things. For that I would be going